Hi, my name is Grace. I'm one of the pharmacists here at Town & Country Compounding Pharmacy. I'm going to show you how to properly measure your oral liquid medication. Most of you will receive your medication in an amber bottle like this. If it requires shaking, make sure you read the labels on the bottle and give it a swirl, shake it around before you open it up. When you press and twist, inside there should be an adapter for the syringe. And you will also have several oral syringes that should properly measure the amount needed. So this is going to be inserted right there, like this. It should be a snug fit. And then you're going to turn it carefully upside down and slowly begin to pull on the plunger. And there are markings there. So let's say we're drawing up a 3 ml dose. I'm going to take this out. And you should be able to see. Okay, the black line is right underneath the 3 ml mark. All right, and this is ready for you to take. And make sure that you are storing the medication as the labels say. Some require refrigeration, some don't. Some require shaking, some don't. So make sure that you are properly storing it. If you have any further questions, feel free to call us at 201-447-2020. Thank you.